Can you really get pregnant while you're on your period? Many people think the answer is no, but the truth is more surprising.
During your period, your body is shedding the lining of the uterus because pregnancy has not happened. If someone has a short menstrual cycle, ovulation may happen soon after the period ends, and sperm may still be present. But pregnancy depends on timing. Sperm can survive inside the female reproductive system for several days. This means pregnancy during or shortly after a period is possible, especially around the fertile window.
This means pregnancy during or shortly after a period is possible, especially around the fertile window.
Every month, a delicate dance of hormones prepares the body. The uterine lining thickens, creating a plush environment. This is the rhythm of life itself.
Make sure you subscribe for more amazing body facts so you can learn all the incredible things about your own health every single day from our channel.